Hello student, good morning to all of you. Welcome to online class. I hope you are fine. Student, now I am going to teach a new topic, uses of aluminium, zinc and lead. You know student, first we discuss about the aluminium. See student, aluminium, symbol Al, atomic number 13. Configuration means first cell contain 2 electron, second 8 and third contain 3. Aluminium plus 3 means it contains plus 3 charge, means aluminium is the metal. So what is the aluminium? See student, aluminium is a silvery white metal. It is malleable, ductile, light, strong and a good conductor of heat and electricity. Student, you know malleable? Malleable means if you heat on the metal, it change into the thin sheet. Like you see the iron, gold, silver, it change into the thin sheet without breaking. This is the property of malleable. So aluminium is the good malleable, good ductile means you able to draw on the wire. It make a wire without breaking. This is the ductile property. Good conductor of, you know, the silver is the good conductor. Second, copper. Third, aluminium. Because aluminium is cheaper than copper, that's why we use the aluminium. Okay? And good conductor of heat and electricity means it allows to pass electric current. Okay? That's why student, in our transmission wire we use the aluminium wire. Okay? Student, you know, it is widely range application because it is cheapest, easily available. Okay, that's why we use in the different ways. Like aluminium is used for making cooking utensils. Student, many utensils where we make the food, it is made by aluminium. Okay, food packaging foil, furniture, door and window. You see, student, nowadays we use the different type of doors, we make the different things, all things made by the aluminium. Okay, it is used for making electrical transmission lines for power distribution. You see student, in your market, the electric pole, it contains the aluminium wire. Okay, aluminium is used for making the bodies of aircraft, automobile and machine parts. Why? Because the good quality of the aluminium very lightweight. Why we use to make aircraft we use aluminium. Okay friend. After that, the next point is the zinc. See friend, what is zinc? Zinc is a bluish white metal. It is brittle in nature. Zinc, symbol Zn. What is the brittle nature? Brittle nature means if you hammered on the zinc, it breaks into the small pieces. Means it doesn't contain the malleable and ductile property. Zinc is the metal, but it breaks into the small pieces. This is known as the brittle solid. Okay. It is used in the galvanization, alloys and electrode of dry cell. Student, you know what is the galvanization? We make a layer of zinc and coat over the other metals. Suppose that iron. Iron is a good metal, but they have one drawback. Drawback is the corrosion. If it contact with the air or moisture, it corrode and the result rusting. So if you apply the zinc, one layer of zinc on the iron pillar or iron sheet, we make two alloys such as brass and German silver. It is used for die casting in automobile industries. Zinc powder or scrap zinc displace metals such as gold and silver from their salt solution, as zinc is more reactive than gold and silver. That's why student, you see the ship, you know, in the river, ocean, it is the salty water, and such salty water mostly attack on the iron sheet. So for preventing the iron sheet, for preventing the ship, we use the zinc. We apply the zinc layer over the iron sheet. Okay student, next one is the lead. Student, lead is a soft, silvery, white or grayish metal. Same thing. Lead symbol Pb. It is used for making car batteries and making alloys. The lead is the soft, silvery white or grayish metal. It is ductile, malleable and poor conductor of electricity. This is the exception because many metals have the good conductor of heat and electricity, but lead is the bad conductor. Okay, student. It is used in the different ways, like it is used in the lining for sink, pipe or other industries. It is used for making car battery. You know, student, you see the inverter battery, car battery, they are cell made by the lead. Okay. It is used for covering underground electric or telephone cable to protect them from the corrosion. Okay, the lead wire used first, you know, nowadays is the underground wiring. So underground wiring, we use the lead wire, lead polythene we apply over the wire. It protects the wire from the rusting. Okay, student. It is used for making alloys such as solder and type metal. It is used a protective shielding for X-rays and harmful radioactive radiation. Okay, student. So the next topic we will discuss in the next video. Thank you.